Hello and welcome to Simple French Cooking. My name is Francois and today I want to teach you a childhood favorite. When I was a small child, my mom used to make me panisses all the time. Now, panisses are chickpea fries. At least that's what we call them in the US. Come join me in the kitchen and let me show you how to make panisses. The batter for panisses is super easy to make. You take 4 cups of water and 2 cups of chickpea flour. Now you're probably wondering where you can get chickpea flour. I like to buy Bob's Red Mill chickpea flour. Now this is in pretty much most grocery stores, although sometimes you got to look around a little bit for it. Sometimes it's in the gluten-free section, sometimes it's in the baking aisle, sometimes Bob's Red Mill has its own special little spot in store. After you've cut your panisses into whatever shape you like, you can just fry them as they are, and they're going to get nice golden brown, but they're going to be a little bit softer textured. Or you can just dust them really super lightly in potato starch, and then they'll be crispy. So whatever you choose, it's your decision. Anyways, heat your oil to about 350, and then just drop your fries in, and just let them cook till they're nice and golden brown. Don't these look great? They're so good. And I know you probably won't be able to hear it, but just listen how crunchy. Crispy on the outside, perfectly creamy on the inside. This is one of my favorite ways to eat chickpeas. And this goes so good with really anything. Roast chicken, fish, just on their own. Like I said, you can sprinkle them with sugar. However you want to eat them, they're perfect. Anyways, thanks so much for watching Simple French Cooking. And if you like this video, please hit the like button. Also subscribe. I'm making videos a little bit slower now, so probably once a month, but hopefully better quality content. Anyways, thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.